Here we have a 2023 Bayliner Element E18, located here at SkipperBud's in Madison. This one has the blue side hull with the white bottom. Very sharp looking boat. You have cleats all the way around. Included is the single axle trailer. You have your swim platform on the back with your transom ladder. This boat is equipped with a 115 horse Mercury outboard. Another little swim platform on the port side here. You do have a bimini top as well. All right, that's it for the exterior. Let's jump on inside and take a look at the interior. Now stepping into the interior of the E18, you'll notice a very large sun pad in the rear portion of the cockpit area. This can be converted back and forth as needed. These two cushions can come out independent of the one furthest back, so you can kind of have a wraparound U-shaped bench, or you can remove all three cushions and just have a open walkway through the center. Have your captain's chair here and your helm. Very large, easy to read analog gauge there. Have your depth finder, some physical toggle switches. This boat does have a 9-passenger capacity. You do have your stereo head unit right off to the side there, as well as a little storage compartment with a couple charge ports. You do have another bow filler cushion for the front, so you can have a nice sun pad in both the front as well as the aft section of the boat. You do have a couple side lounge chairs here with additional cup holders and a speaker. Another look at that bimini top. You do also have a couple speakers up in the bow, as well as some stainless steel grab handles, and then cup holders integrated down in the bottom of that sun pad. All right, that's it for the 2023 Bayliner Element E18, located here at SkipperBud's in Madison.